Hello students, today in this lecture of jurisprudence I am going to discuss with you the concept of general will which was propounded by Rousseau. It is very important to note here that who was Rousseau. Rousseau was a French philosopher and his main argument was in favor of direct democracy in the state. He is the great French writer of 18th century and he elaborated his theory in his famous work The Social Contract, which book was published in the year 1762. Rousseau gave the new interpretation to the concept of social contract and natural law. According to him, social contract is not a historical fact, but it is a hypothetical construction of reason. According to Rousseau, before this concept of social contract, man was very happy and free, and even there was equality among men. No man was inferior, and no man was inferior before the concept of social contract. By the social contract, men united themselves for the preservation of their rights of freedom and equality. For this purpose, men surrendered their rights not to a single individual, that is, they had not surrendered their right to the sovereign, but they had surrendered their rights to the community to which Rousseau gives the name of general will. I want to repeat. By social contract, men united for the preservation of their rights of freedom and equality. For this purpose, men surrendered their rights not to a single individual sovereign, but to the community to which Rousseau gives the name of general will. According to him, it is a general duty of every individual to obey the general will of the people, because when he is obeying this general will, then he directly obeys his own will. Because according to Rousseau, general will is always right because it is for the benefit of large number of people. According to Rousseau, while the individual parts with his natural rights, but in return he gets the civil liberties in the society. According to him, the existence of the state is for the protection of freedom and equalities of men. According to him, the state and laws which are made by the state both are subject to the general will which creates the state. And what will happen if the state and laws of the state do not conform to the general will? Then both the state and laws of the state are to be overthrown. According to Rousseau, I want to repeat, if the state and laws of the state do not conform to the general will, then both are to be overthrown. The theory which was propounded by Rousseau stands for the freedom and equality of men. And there was number of contributions of this theory of Rousseau. First of all, this theory created the concept of democracy. Though Rousseau's theory of natural law was full of inconsistencies, but what is the reality? But in reality, there was great influence of this theory to French and American revolutions. And this theory gave birth to the concept of nationalism. The theory which was propounded by Rousseau prepared ground for the new theories for government and law to come in the future. So in this way, students, we have discussed the concept of general will as was propounded by Rousseau, If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed till today. And if you want to get notes of my law lectures, then you can go to lawarticles2020.blogspot.com. Thank you very much.